Most people know the Corvette and the Ford GT, but beyond the mainstream lies a world of hidden American hypercars. We're talking machines built in small garages in Michigan, high-tech labs in California, and secret facilities in Florida. Today, we're diving into 10 unknown American supercars, some of which have achieved legendary million-dollar status. From exotics with V12 engines and Italian souls to 3D printed street-legal jet fighters, we're asking the ultimate question: are these rare American legends really better than a Ferrari? Let's find out.
Rossion Q1. Current value $100,000 to $180,000. The Rossion Q1 is the thinking man's supercar. Born from the bones of the British noble M400, the Rossion was completely redesigned and hand-built in Riviera Beach, Florida, to offer a level of luxury and refinement the original race-bred chassis lacked. It doesn't rely on a massive, heavy engine. Instead, it uses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing nearly 500 horsepower. Because the car is a featherweight, tipping the scales at just over 2,600 pounds, it delivers a power-to-weight ratio that allows it to embarrass contemporary Ferraris and Lamborghinis in a straight line and through the corners. Visually, the Rossion Q1 screams European boutique exotic. Its carbon Kevlar body is compact, aerodynamic, and incredibly sleek, making it look like a high-end Lotus on steroids. While it is the most affordable car on our list today, its rarity is unquestionable, with very few units produced. As collectors look for analog, lightweight driving experiences that modern electronic-heavy supercars can no longer provide, the Rossion Q1 is rapidly moving from a hidden gem to a high-value collector's asset. It is the perfect starting point for someone who wants supercar performance without the mainstream badge.
Falcon F7. Current value $250,000 to $450,000. If you ever wondered what a Ferrari 288 GTO would look like if it were reimagined by a Michigan-based hot rodder, the Falcon F7 is the answer. Fabricated by Jeff Lemke, the F7 was a bespoke, handcrafted supercar that aimed to combine raw American muscle with the elegance of European mid-engine design. Underneath its aggressive, retro-modern carbon fiber and Kevlar skin lies a 7-liter LS7 V8, the same legendary power plant found in the Corvette Z06, but tuned to deliver a visceral mid-engine roar. It's a car that feels wide, low, and incredibly planted, offering a cockpit experience that is far more luxurious than your standard muscle car. The Falcon F7 is a masterclass in mechanical theater. With its exposed gear shifter and minimalist interior, it offers a raw connection to the road that modern Ferraris have traded for lap times. Only a handful of these Michigan-born predators were ever made, making them nearly impossible to find on the open market. Because of its exotic looks and the reliability of its American V8 powertrain, the F7 has become a darling of the high-end auction circuit. It represents a unique moment in American history where a small team tried to take on the world's best, creating a rare asset that is steadily climbing toward that 7-figure mark. Mosler MT900. Current value $250,000 to $450,000. The Mosler MT900 is what happens when you let a visionary engineer, Warren Mosler, and a Corvette designer, Rod Trenay, obsess over physics and weight reduction. Visually, the MT900 looks like a Le Mans prototype that accidentally ended up on a public highway. It's incredibly low, exceptionally long, and features a cockpit-forward design that prioritizes aerodynamics over everything else. Under the hood, it utilized the reliable LS1 V8 from the Corvette, but because the chassis was a sophisticated carbon fiber monocoque, the car weighed significantly less than its competitors. It was so fast and so light that it dominated racing series until it was, effectively, balanced out of competition. For the investor, the MT900 is a sleeper. While it doesn't have the brand recognition of a Ferrari, its performance data is staggering, capable of 0 to 60 in nearly 3 seconds flat in an era when that was unheard of. Only about 35 road-going versions were produced, making it a true unicorn for collectors who value engineering pedigree over social media fame. As the market shifts toward rare, analog supercars with legitimate racing DNA, the Mosler is a prime candidate for massive appreciation. It represents a raw, unfiltered era of American performance where the only thing that mattered was the lap time. Draco GTE. Current value, $1,200,000 MSRP. If you want to see what happens when American innovation takes on the European Grand Tourer elite like Aston Martin or Pininfarina, look no further than the Draco GTE. It isn't just an electric car. It's a quad-motor hyper-sedan that produces a mind-numbing 1,200 horsepower. The style is pure Silicon Valley elegance, a long, sweeping silhouette that hides its four-door practicality behind the lines of a high-end Italian coupe. It was designed to offer a level of luxury and sophistication that most brute force American cars lack, targeting the ultra-high net worth individual who wants to go fast without sacrificing comfort. The tech inside the Draco GTE is what justifies its million-dollar price tag. It features a proprietary torque vectoring system that can adjust the power to each individual wheel over 1,000 times per second, allowing a full-sized luxury car to corner with the precision of a mid-engine supercar. With a production run limited to just 25 units, the GTE is an incredibly exclusive asset. For the forward-thinking investor, the Draco represents the pinnacle of the first wave of American electric hypercars. In a decade, these early limited production EV pioneers will be viewed as the blueprints for the future of luxury performance, making their current seven-figure value look like a bargain. Rezvani Beast. Current value, $485,000 to $600,000. The Rezvani Beast is a masterclass in aggressive, futuristic design. While it utilizes the world-class chassis of the Corvette C8, designer Samir Sadikov has draped it in a body that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster. The standout feature is the Sidewinder doors, which slide forward and outward in a dramatic mechanical ballet. But the Beast is more than just a pretty face. It's a 1,000 horsepower twin-turbo V8 monster that can be equipped with a 007 package, including bulletproof glass, EMP protection, and even electrified door handles. This combination of raw power and spy tech gives it a personality that no Ferrari can match. For an investor, the Beast represents a unique niche, the bespoke coach-built market. Because Rezvani produces these in extremely limited numbers, they offer an exclusivity that a mass-produced Ferrari F8 or 296 GTB simply cannot provide. In the collector world, having something that no one else has is the ultimate currency. As we look toward the 2030s, the early Rezvani models will be remembered as the cars that brought theater back to the American supercar scene. If you own one with the full tactical suite, you own a conversation piece that is as much a security asset as it is a high-performance investment. Vector M12. Current value, $600,000 to $900,000. The Vector M12 is perhaps the most bizarre and fascinating chapter in American supercar history. In the mid-90s, the Indonesian company Megatech owned both Lamborghini and the American brand Vector, leading to a cross-continental marriage. The M12 was built on a stretched Lamborghini Diablo chassis and powered by the legendary 5.7-liter Lamborghini V12. Its styling is pure wedge perfection, long, low, and wide, with a nose that looks like it could cut through steel. It's an American car with an Italian soul, representing a wild era of corporate takeovers and unfiltered design ambition. From a financial perspective, the Vector M12 is a blue-chip rarity. Only 17 units were ever produced, making it statistically rarer than almost any modern Ferrari or Lamborghini hypercar. Because it shares mechanical components with the Diablo, it is actually maintainable compared to other boutique exotics, which adds to its long-term investment appeal. We're already seeing prices for the M12 move toward the $1 million mark as Gen X collectors seek out the poster cars of their youth. It is a striking V12-powered piece of history that proves America can do exotic just as well as the Italians, if given the right engine. SCG-004S. Current value, $460,000 to $600,000. James Glickenhaus is a man who doesn't just collect legendary Ferraris, he builds cars to beat them. The SCG-004S is a love letter to the 1960s Le Mans prototypes, featuring a stunning bubble canopy and organic flowing lines that prioritize visibility and aerodynamic balance. The most striking interior feature is the 3-seat configuration, placing the driver dead center, just like the iconic McLaren F1. Power comes from a supercharged V8 producing 650 horsepower, but the real magic is the 6-speed gated manual transmission, a feature almost entirely extinct in modern European supercars, making the driving experience visceral, mechanical, and incredibly rare. As an investment, the SCG-004S is a masterstroke. Glickenhaus builds these cars with a race on Sunday, drive on Monday philosophy, meaning the 004S shares significant DNA with the cars he actually competes with at the Nürburgring and Le Mans. Collectors are starting to realize that buying an SCG isn't just buying a car, it's buying into a racing legacy. With a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and a focus on analog engagement, the 004S is poised to become a forever car for enthusiasts. As manual supercars continue to vanish, the value of this central-seated American masterpiece is virtually guaranteed to climb into the 7-figure territory. Czinger 21C. Current value, $2 million. If you want to know what the year 2036 looks like today, look at the Czinger 21C. This California-born hypercar is a technological moonshot, utilizing artificial intelligence and 3D printing to create a structure that looks more like organic bone than traditional car parts. The 21C features a unique tandem seating arrangement. The passenger sits directly behind the driver, allowing for an ultra-narrow fighter jet-style cockpit that minimizes drag. Under the skin lies a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 that screams to a terrifying 11,000 RPM, combined with an electric hybrid system to produce a total of 1,250 horsepower. The Czinger 21C is a blue-chip asset because it represents a fundamental shift in how cars are built. It isn't just rare, it is a pioneer of a new industrial revolution. With a 0 to 60 time of just 1.9 seconds and the ability to shatter track records worldwide, it has already proven its dominance over the European establishment. Only 80 units are slated for production, ensuring that demand will always far outstrip supply. For the high-end investor, the 21C is the ultimate future-proof hypercar, a machine that combines the soul of a high-revving V8 with the most advanced manufacturing technology on the planet. SSC Tuatara is the spiritual successor to the Ultimate Aero, designed by Jason Castriota with a teardrop cockpit that mimics a fighter jet. This car was built for one thing: to be the fastest production vehicle on Earth. Its body is entirely carbon fiber, resulting in a drag coefficient of just 0.279, one of the lowest in hypercar history. Under the hood is a bespoke 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8 that screams with 1,750 horsepower on E85 fuel. It has officially clocked a verified two-way average of 282.9 miles per hour, proving that American engineering can outrun even the mightiest Koenigseggs and Bugattis. For an investor, the Tuatara is a high-stakes asset. With production limited to only 100 units, it is an incredibly exclusive club. Owning a Tuatara is owning a piece of land speed history. We have seen celebrities and high-profile collectors like Michael Strahan taking delivery of Striker variants, which further cements the car's status in pop culture and the elite collector market. As we move through 2026, the Tuatara remains the benchmark for American top-speed performance. And as the 100-unit production run nears its end, the secondary market value is expected to soar well past the $2 million mark. Saleen S7 Twin Turbo. Current value, $600,000 to $1,200,000. The Saleen S7 is the definitive American supercar. Designed for the GT1 racing class, its long, wide, and low carbon fiber body was so aerodynamically advanced that Steve Saleen famously claimed it could drive upside down at 160 miles per hour. While the original was naturally aspirated, the twin turbo version, 2005 to 2009, elevated it to legendary status with 750 horsepower and a 248 mile per hour top speed. It features an asymmetric cockpit where the driver is moved slightly toward the center for better weight distribution, a detail usually reserved for pure race cars. As an investment, the Saleen S7 is currently exploding. In 2026, we are seeing standard twin-turbo models fetch over $700,000, while the ultra-rare S7 LM Le Mans edition, of which only a handful were ever recommissioned to 1,300 horsepower, has officially crossed the $1.1 million mark at RM Sotheby's. It is widely considered the first true American supercar of the 21st century. Because it represents a peak in analog engineering with a manual gearbox and no electronic stability control, it is becoming the Ferrari F40 of the United States, a car that every billionaire collector needs to complete their stable. From the 3D printed revolution of the Czinger to the million-dollar legacy of the Saleen S7, America has proven that its supercar DNA is just as exotic, rare, and valuable as anything coming out of Europe. These 10 hidden legends are no longer just obscure cars. They're blue-chip assets that are rewriting the rules of the collector market in 2026. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most exclusive American hypercars, hit that like button and subscribe to Reed Revs for more market-shifting content.